How to verify your identity on Credit Karma. First of all, open your preferred web browser and go to the Credit Karma website. Then log into your account using your email and password. Once you are logged in, if Credit Karma needs to verify your identity, you will be automatically redirected to the verification page. Next, you will be asked to confirm some personal details like your full name, current address, and date of birth. These details must match your official records. After that, you may be prompted to answer a few security questions related to your credit history. These could include past loans, credit cards, or account details, so answer carefully based on your financial history. Sometimes Credit Karma may ask you to upload your valid driver's license or state ID. In that case, follow the instructions to upload a clear image of your government-issued ID, such as driver's license or passport. Once you provide the required information and documents, Credit Karma will process the verification. This can take a few minutes or in some cases a bit longer depending on the details provided. After successful verification, you will get access to your full Credit Karma dashboard, including your credit scores, reports, and personalized insights. Now you know how to verify your identity on Credit Karma. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.